Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chili Mili jelly. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need gelatin powder, sugar, and your choice of fruit juices for different colors and flavors. Think about using mango, orange, or even a green juice for a vibrant assortment. Also, make sure you have suitable molds or a baking dish prepared for your jelly layers. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare the jelly base. Start by blooming your gelatin. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder over 1/4 cup of cold water and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it softens. Meanwhile, gently heat 1 cup of your chosen fruit juice with 2 tablespoons of sugar in a saucepan, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves. Do not boil the mixture. Once the sugar is dissolved, remove it from the heat and stir in the bloomed gelatin until it is completely melted and incorporated. Next, we'll create those beautiful layers. Pour your first colored jelly mixture into your prepared mold, filling it to about 1/2 inch thickness. Place the mold in the refrigerator and chill for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, or until the layer is firm to the touch but still slightly sticky. Repeat this process with your other colored jelly mixtures, allowing each layer to set before adding the next. This patience ensures distinct, colorful stripes in your final chili Mili jelly. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade chili Mili jelly. Once all the layers are completely firm, carefully unmold the jelly onto a cutting board. You might need to gently loosen the edges with a thin knife. Using a sharp, warm knife, cut the jelly into small, bite-sized cubes, roughly 1 inch by 1 inch. Arrange these vibrant, colorful cubes on a serving platter. They make a fantastic, fun, and flavorful treat for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.